liquid tire and trim gel. Here we go, guys. A little bit of the product. You don't want to use too much product because a little bit goes a long way. So here we go. Now you guys can see a huge difference. And that's the before, the after. You might need a few more treatments just because this plastic is completely dried. So this plastic hasn't seen any dressing for years. Here we go, just like that. Make sure you do a nice massage up and down, left and right, to a nice and clean finish. See, there you go. And I'm gonna show you what before used to look like and what it's gonna look now. So there you have it, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, give us a call, or visit our website, originaldetailingproducts.com. We'll see you guys soon on the next video.